we have a little unit that we needed to do some renovation work in. We were kind of stumped as to what we were going to do with the flooring. So we found an online flooring store and they were really helpful in helping us choose something that suited our needs. So we have a little dog and a kid. We needed something hard wearing and non-scratching. We also weren't sure what we were going to do with colours, so they helped us pick something that suited our kind of coastal, beachy, neutral tone, and we were really, really happy with the outcome. They were also really helpful in helping us find a carpet that was plush but also fit our budget and suited our colour needs as well. So overall we were really, really happy with the service that they provided and the product as well, and everyone compliments how nice it looks, so even better.